going to fly with an airplane. Do you like airplane?
Yeah.
Do you like to fly?
Yes.
To see where I should park. Here we go!
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm someone who enjoys travels, art, good food, and all other activities that life can bring to me. I always love to capture moments when I felt happy and fulfilled. Sometimes life brings us busy days and nights, and then we start to appreciate the free time. My goal is to share my journey with you, motivate and inspire you, and share my tips how to manage free time.
I see nothing. It's still frozen. I see nothing. It's getting better. We are ready for the last training today. I can't wait, to be honest. I was so lazy in the beginning when I started my trainings, and I needed 3-4 months to get used to it, even if I was quite in the training when I was younger. I'm not young anymore. Yesterday I turned 41, which is not young anymore. Hey, hi.
You fly out today?
Yeah. And as you see, I'm late. As always.
Now you're just on time.
Yeah. It's 9:20 in the morning. I finished my training and now I'm heading to my work. But before I go to work, I have to change because I can't work like this, right? I packed everything. As you can see, I'm almost ready. So there is few final touch to do. Look at this. This is necessary if you have a kid. This is maybe number 1, pseudo cream. It's not commercial or anything. This is really good cream for the babies. Dobro jutro. Oh, are you ready for a trip? Oh, where is Peppa? No, Sophie, put it back. Mommy has to pack. It's not time to open it, Pule. Sophie. Sophie. No. Don't be naughty. It's a syrup. You want a syrup? Syrup. You have to shake it first. This is just before a trip, so we'll have some muffins. The muffins, they are stuffed with Kinder chocolate, mommy's favorite chocolate. Sophie doesn't care which chocolate it is. For her, it's important that it's a chocolate. Alright, I think they're done. So, chocolate banana muffins for a trip and breakfast for this little one. Good morning. Stop. What are you doing, Sophie? Meds. What is meds? Honey? Yeah. You hiding, huh? You naughty one. Are you ready for the trip? Yeah, with airplane?
Yeah.
Let's go today. Yay! Daddy's up. Go give him a bisou. Give him bisou. Big bisou. And hug, okay?
Come.
I have to go to work. You can't go to work. We'll meet later.
One more.
Can I get bisou?
No, I'm on the work.
You wanna work? I don't think so. Do you wanna give mommy bisou? Yeah. Okay, give mommy bisou. Closer. Sophia, closer. Last day. Here we go. So it's 12:30. I have a lunch. I got a little bit of library stock of blend Merlot Cabernet Sauvignon and this delicious entree, which is made by Verde, the restaurant in a church road. You see, it's a prawns and pork, and it looks delicious. And this is my salad with tofu. You see that it's not really decorated, but you know, it's a stuffed lunch. I think it looks good. This is a little bit sweet puree. Very sweet, a little bit of fat, which is quite nice, and quite juicy. It's really good entree. Voila! I hope it will be a nice trip. So in a few hours we're going to Auckland. Cheers to that!